show you guys this. Look at this. $30,000 for 1 day of work. I'm telling you, investing. Good morning, guys. Currently driving to a thrift store, but I just wanted to have a little talk about stocks. I'm not a finance channel, I'm not an investment channel, but I show you guys how I make money on a day-to-day basis, whether I find stuff at the thrift store and then I sell it locally or whatever the case may be. Well, if you guys have been interested in stocks, or if you guys know about stocks, in the past couple days, Gamestop has been the hype of the thing on Reddit, and then Elon Musk tweeted about it last night. So yesterday morning, I woke up and I put $1,000 on Gamestop stocks. It was at $88 a share. Currently, it's sitting at $215. So yesterday I made a little over $1,400 in profit just because I woke up early and invested. Now yesterday, I put another $1,000 in AMC stocks. AMC was at $6.50, now it's at $16.50, and it's after hours. The market hasn't even opened. It's currently 8:54, so I'm waiting to see what the market does once it's open, but that should be another easy $1,000 day. So in 2 days, I made $2,500 just by investing on stocks. So if you guys don't know about stocks, I would definitely recommend looking up YouTube channels, doing your research on it, because you can make a lot of money. I mean, I'm making basically people's monthly salaries in a day or two just by investing my money that's sitting in the bank regardless. So if you have money, and a lot of people are kind of especially with Bitcoin, like I have Bitcoin, I have Dogecoin or Dogecoin, however you want to pronounce it, I have Ethereum, I have all the cryptos that you could think of, but people are like, oh, I don't have $30,000 to buy a full Bitcoin. Well, you don't need to buy a full Bitcoin. You don't need to buy a full share. Just put $100, put $10, put $1, put whatever you can afford to lose, because at the end of the day, stocks is gamble. I can lose all my money in stocks right now, but you have to play it smart. If you start seeing the market dip, or if you start hearing that a lot of people are selling, then you need to sell. So yeah, I'm kind of seeing, like I said, market opens at 9:30, it's 8:55. I'm gonna see what AMC stock is gonna look like once the market opens again. But like I said, it went from $6.50 to $16. My boy put in $20,000 yesterday, so I just texted him. He lives in Cali though, and he's gonna wake up to making $20,000 basically, because it doubled, it more than doubled. So his $20,000 investment that he put yesterday, that again, money just sitting in the bank, today he can cash out for $40,000. So it's like, it's insane. And all this talk and like me making this good money, I already reached out to my realtor and told him, yo, I'll put the 6 months down, I'll pay the $10,000, because honestly, $10,000 is really nothing at this point, which it's sad to say. I know a lot of people are like hurting, a lot of people don't have jobs, a lot of people are struggling, but like, you guys saw me from the beginning. I'm coming from nothing in the sense, you know, I don't have a rich family that's just giving me money. I'm out here buying stuff at the thrift store and then using my money wisely, investing in stocks and making a lot of money. But again, I'm not a finance channel. I just wanted to kind of update you guys. Like I said, we are headed to the first thrift store, so let's see if we can find something today. Today is kind of just gonna be hitting up a couple thrift stores, and then it's gonna be a thrift haul. So let's hit up the first thrift store and let's get it, guys. Guys, market just opened. GameStop is currently at $323 a share. I bought it late. I got in at $80 a share. I put $1,000 yesterday. Literally like 24 hours ago, I put $1,000 on GameStop at $80 a share. Now it's sitting at $323 a share. That is insane, guys. Like, holy crap. It just keeps going up. And like I said, I'm waiting for AMC. If AMC takes off, honestly, I might not even get the apartment that I want to get and just upgrade, or I might just buy something. Honestly, if I'm making this kind of money, I need to get a mortgage, I need to get a house, I need to get a condo, I need to get property. Like, this is insane. I know I should, like, I know people do this on a daily basis, like day traders, and make thousands and thousands of dollars a day, but I'm not used to stocks. I don't really, you know, this is something that I've done in the past year with crypto and investing and stuff like that, so it's insane. But we're about to pull up to the first thrift store. I just wanted to check in on you guys. I'm so hyped right now. Like, I'm about to book a trip to Colorado because this is free vacation, this is free money. Like, oh man, I'm so happy. So my friend just had to go and ruin it. I'm over here like, yo, I'm up. And he sends me a screenshot of him. He bought 1,000 shares of GameStop when it was $38. $38. He invested $39,000 and he made $340,000. Like, what the fuck, guys? I'm sleeping. I need to invest way more, but I'm just doing it small. I'm doing $1,000 here, $1,000 there, but honestly, I'm about to bump it up to $10,000 here, $10,000 there, because when I do 1,000, like, yeah, I'm making a couple thousand, but I want to make tens of thousands. Like, that's insane. My buddy did 40,000 or 39,000, and if he sells right now, he'll make 350,000. Now that's not profit. He'll make 300,000 basically, because if you spend 39,000, a little over like 310 he'll make, which is insane. That's a free house just by getting it at the right time. Oh my God. If you guys aren't on stocks, I'm gonna put link down below, Robinhood. Download mine and you can get some free stocks with it. I'm not sponsored by them, but fuck, dude, you guys need to get on this.
All right, a lot of the stuff I kind of just threw in the cart because there was a lot of people, so let's see what I actually grabbed and what I'm gonna keep. I have no idea what this is. Disappearing Island Beach Party. Okay, we'll put that back because that's probably just like a printed shirt. Cosmo Mexico, we'll put this one back. See, a lot of stuff I get is bullshit just because I don't know what I'm grabbing. We'll put this back. I hope I got something good. Okay, we have this Mickey shirt. Not too bad. What's this? Florida Marlins, 1997. I think I got this from my dad, Dallas Cowboys shirt, but it might be too big for him. It's a 4XL, it's huge. I'll probably still grab it though because people like Cowboys. This was the find of today. Look at this, Marcelo Burlon. It's a designer shirt, super sick. Double-sided. I think this is a vintage Miami Hurricanes. Yeah, vintage Miami Hurricanes. Is it single stitch? Yeah, it's single stitch. Nice little Miami hit. Got this Coca-Cola dress shirt, button down, Coca-Cola branded. I'm gonna have to look it up. Thought it was pretty cool. Then last clothing item, we did find this vintage Tommy Hilfiger fleece with the Hilfiger embroidered right there. Little side pocket, super sick. And it's only $3.49 half off, so it's like $1.75. And then we found a couple bags today. Look at this, brand new Dior. Now this is like the perfume bag, but it's still kind of cool. Little Dior tote, has zippers at the bottom, says Dior perfume. And then on this side right here it says Dior. Then we found a camera bag for myself. And then this is like a packable duffel bag. So I'm gonna see how much the bags are. If they're like $2 each, I'll grab them all. We're gonna put all of these shirts back because I don't want them. And we'll take all these.
So that thrift store wasn't too bad. I guess the base or the best find of that day or that thrift store was the Marcelo Burlon. I'm not exactly sure how much I'll be able to sell it for. I know that it is designer. I know that they sell it at like Neiman Marcus and stuff like that. We actually saw it. If you didn't see the video, designer shopping, we actually saw that brand inside Neiman Marcus and it was very expensive. I'll probably maybe sell it for, I don't know, 60, 80 bucks. I really have to check comps, but not bad at all. And then, like I said, we got the few basic shirts. That Tommy Hilfiger was fire. I ended up getting the camera bag as well as that little duffel and the Dior little beach bag also, so it wasn't too bad. Now we're pulling up to the next one. See if we find anything good, guys.
Well, the only thing we found, it's not even special. I'll probably just keep it for myself. We have this unknown, brand new with the tags. Retail was $60, I'll pay $1.75. Sadly, we just found this white tag Nike vintage. Has a little swoosh right here, but it has a broken zipper and it doesn't even have the circle to like add a loop, and then nothing on the back, so we're just gonna pass on it, sadly. Then I did find this Honda shirt. I thought it was pretty cool. Has a big Honda logo on the back, small little hit on the front, and it's actually like licensed Honda merch. Then we found another Dallas Cowboys shirt. Probably gonna leave that. Ralph Lauren swim shorts, Polo Jeans Company, the long ones too. So as I was about to check out, I only got the 3 things, but then I saw this. I was like, what the hell is this? This is actually a movie. It's a towel, but I feel like I'm gonna get it. Maybe people can customize it, or if they like the movie. It's pretty sick. Just found the sickest army blanket. So sick. The graphic on it is insane. Has like a tank, the army. Definitely getting this. Show you guys this, look at this. $30,000 for 1 day of work. I'm telling you, investing.
I decided before I get home, I'm gonna get a haircut. My hair is just crazy long right now. I need to thin it out. I need to cut off the dead ends. So I'm gonna get a haircut and then let's check on little man. Let's check on Captain, see how he's doing. It'll probably be hard to tell, but I got a lot of the weight out and she basically cut off the dead ends, but it's super, super lighter. That's the main thing that I want. I didn't really want to take off length, but I wanted to take off weight. So not bad, $20 cut. Better than the $400 that girls do. But I'm kind of mad and kind of upset. I just got a text from my landlord. He's like, hey, are you gonna be out by the 1st? And I was like, listen, my apartment, like, it didn't go through. I don't think I can be out by the 1st. And he's like, well, you gotta try as hard as you can to be out on your 1st. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go home and I'm just gonna look for apartments all day, kind of see if I can make some tour for tomorrow. There's about 6 days left till the 1st, so I need to hustle, I need to do stuff. I'm gonna go to Home Depot right now. I'm gonna get some more moving boxes so I can continue doing that. I have about 20% packed right now, just because I stopped once I found out that I wasn't moving, but now I gotta continue just so that way if I do need to be out by the 1st or the first week of the 1st, at least stuff is packed already and it's ready to move. So let's go check out how the little man's doing.